My name's Eric, I'm from Pro Touring, Texas. This is my 71 Chevelle. I've done the Hot Rod Power Tour 6 times now. This is the end of number 6 long haul. Right before we left, the week before, we put on UMI's new Power Tour package. It was reliable, it was smooth, didn't have to double check anything, we just installed it. We ran, gave us lots of confidence on the back roads. We were able to do high speed, low speed, lots of turns, and it just gave us all the confidence that we needed to make it across the country at a high rate of speed. So my Chevelle, it's got a supercharged LS, makes almost 800 at the crank. We're running a center force diad clutch in this thing. It's done half-mile shootouts, lots of autocrosses, big track races, just 1 or 2 burnouts, and we like to travel in this thing. So you put this thing in 6th gear, it runs 85 down the highway, super nice. It's got a few goodies on the motor, but essentially it's just an LS that anybody can build.